5 minus 4 times 2 plus 7. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 2 plus 7 equals 9. And 1 times 9 equals 9. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way. You just finish them up from left to right. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. According to the PEMDAS rule, multiplication has priority over addition and subtraction. So, 4 times 2 equals 8, and the expression becomes 5 minus 8 plus 7. We solve this from left to right. 5 minus 8 equals negative 3, and negative 3 plus 7 equals 4. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video.